Looking like a very interesting move today. Bank Nifty showing some extraordinary strength. Nifty also follow the same from since morning. Nifty is a very strong, looking very strong. Open at the CPR, the pivot point, 5-minute pivot point. The low of the day is 5-minute pivot point, and it's moving towards upside and upside and upside. The only one move that Nifty shown with the help of Reliance, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. They are the heavyweights. Those are making this move much stronger. As I show now the data, all the banking sectors are very strong, and Kotak Mahindra Bank and Axis Bank looking some kind of weakness, showing some kind of weakness in morning, but now they are also recovering. And if we see the Nifty, Reliance is showing extraordinary strength, followed by TCS, Infosys, and also Bajaj Finance looking very good, Hero MotoCorp, HDFC, and Bharti Airtel. They are the heavyweights showing great strength. So we hope we book some kind of a profit around 50k or beyond. Let's see how the move pan out, and we just capture some move in our favor. Let's wait. Okay guys, now the profit is around 44,000, and my target is 50 or 60 onward. Bank Nifty is looking so good, and according to data what I said, what I'm looking here is look at the move of Reliance is quite impressive. It's crossing the previous day high, and now it's trading around 1986. It's quite impressive. And in banking sector also, HDFC and ICICI Bank, the two heavyweight, the two legend of banking sector, they are leading the rally quite well. So it might be sustained, or I'm looking for some kind of short covering, because 32,500 the maximum put writing is now visible, and if 32,600 crosses and sustain above this, then 32,500 call writers are badly trapped, and I want to grab that particular move. Once the high of the previous day crosses by Bank Nifty, the move very interesting looking like. Let's see what happened. As I see, Nifty cross 40,600 and sustain the level. If Nifty sustain that particular level, my target for Nifty today is around 14,650 onwards, where we are looking for my profit. And in Bank Nifty, it's quite interesting. Bank Nifty is nearly the previous day high zone. Yeah, it's a previous day high zone around 32,600. Quite. Look at the profit, guys. Profit crosses 50,000. 50,000 profit crosses, and I'm holding it quite impressive. Okay. Bank Nifty try to cross the cluster. If it closes above, I'm just telling you the level. If it closes above 32,610 in 5-minute candle, then you see the move, how the short covering build up, and very fast 100-200 point move we capture. Okay, Nifty showing some very interesting. Nifty is crossing 14,610. Now here is the magic. Nifty is crossing their previous day high zone. I'm waiting for close. One close to easily give a massive short covering. Look at the guys. My profit is crossing 70,000. Still holding. Not a very greedy, but it's all about skill. How you hold your profit when it goes in your direction. What the people are doing in trading, they book the quick profits, and that's the reason they are not able to make big money in trading. Of course it come when you get some kind of experience, what I have. That's why I'm quite really holding this position from 20,000 to 70,000. Still my target is around 1 lakh. Let's see if I achieve it or not, because all the setup and all the data scenario are showing me very bullish things. So I'm quite happy to hold this position. And looking like a data point of view, when I check Y data, huge call writing, huge put writing build up in 32,500, and 32,500 call writers are getting trapped now, because Nifty crossing 42,000, 32,620 levels, which passes previous day high. And look at the Nifty. Look at the Nifty. Nifty is approaching there, approaching 14,620 levels. They are the very interesting kind of, or a momentum. You have, what you need to do is you just ride the momentum, and let's see my target is come or not. I am waiting for 1 lakh target. I hope that I can achieve it today itself in half an hour. Time is 12 o'clock. Let's see, 12:30 I get my target. So I close my day and do some other stuff. First instance of taking this kind of trade is looking since morning HDFC and Reliance giving me the signal that something happening today, because they are the heavyweights. If they are moving like a crazy, anything can happen. Even Bank Nifty can cross the 33,000 also today itself, because how the two big heavyweights HDFC and ICIC are contributed like a crazy. And with the help of Reliance, Nifty also moving like a treasure bullet. Look at the move. Look at the move. Look at the move in Bank Nifty, guys. 32,640 level cross. What I'm telling you, that once this previous day high of 32,600 cross, easily we get 100 and 200 point very fast. I hope that my target will achieve in 4-5 minutes. I'm quite holding my position. Sit back and relax. Okay guys, see you. Okay guys, after a very consultation, I have Okay, I obtained my target, and yeah, it's very decent profit. I'm aiming for 1 lakh rupees profit, and looking like my target is achieved. 1 lakh rupees profit I earn and book, and then I close my trading system. I'm just waiting for the bank nifty to cross their day high, because after crossing their day high, I'm expecting some short covering, some serious short covering. Serious short covering, it will give you around 100 and 200 point fast move. Look at the Reliance, look at the Reliance, look at the all heavyweights, Bajaj Finance. In banking sectors, HDFC and ICICI Bank, they contributed very well. Also Axis Bank, in morning it fell almost 2% and then recovered and came to green. Okay, I'm just waiting for my target. Once my target get hit, I'm getting out. Okay, it's almost day high. Bank Nifty approaching day high. Let's see if it cross, and Nifty after crossing 14,600, the major short covering I'm expecting. How the behavior of Reliance, and it gave me a lot of confidence to hold this trade, but okay, let me let's see how much time I am avoid this trade to getting exit. One thing also interesting, that that move, the sudden move, came at the last half of the market. Whenever the last half of the market, when this kind of move came, it is usually done by big players like FIIs. So if FIIs are buying something, you just follow those. Okay, don't be hurried to book. I'm holding my position since morning, and anytime I am getting out. Okay, Nifty is approaching the day high. Okay, the main level that I'm watching for Nifty is 14,625, around 14,625. If this level or day high level crossed by Nifty, I hope I get some 50 to 60 point up move very fast above 14,625 level. Yeah, 14,625 level. Let's see. The main crux is Bank Nifty. If Bank Nifty cross their day high, then nobody can stop. Okay, it's looking like some tricky. Let me out. Let me out because time is now against me, so I'm not want to hold this trade out. Let me out. I'm waiting for final push. I'm waiting for final push by call writers. If call writers getting out and square up their position, it's very easy for me to get my target. And what I saw, let's see what happened. 14600 is a good OI input side. Okay, let's wait, guys. I will update whether I get my target or not. Okay, guys, look at the move what I accepted. Bank Nifty breaking out, my target done. I'm just closing my day. Thank you, everyone. Let me square off. Okay, it's complete. Done the trade for today. Booking 1,20,000 plus profit. Very decent. I hope you understand how I manage my trades. Since morning I'm holding my position and booking as longer profits. That's the main thing, how the one trader can work. When market goes in your direction, just ride the profit. Okay, of course there is many situations when I adjust my positions, booking some profits, then again re-enter. They are the things, but definitely it's a part of trading. Okay, till then, thank you.